ain't about to come by that. Bitches like me, it's hard to come by. Have a tongue, Manager tak benarkan ke? Tak. Sebab dia macam awak jual lah vokal. Celah. Biarlah saya nak rap. Celah. Biarlah saya nak rap.
Saya nak nyanyi lagu rap tapi tak dibenarkan. Itulah kenyataan lucu yang dikeluarkan Azeva Natasha apabila peserta program Talk to My Manager musim kedua itu menunjukkan bakat beliau menyanyikan lagu rap ketika melayani pengikut-pengikutnya di TikTok. Menerusi potongan video live yang dikongsikan di akaun TikTok Teh Tumpah itu, Azeva secara berseluruh mengatakan sebab dirinya tidak dibenarkan menyanyi lagu rap kerana beliau diminta untuk menjual kekuatan vokalnya berbanding menyanyikan lagu rap tersebut.
My ribs out watching, my neck be present, my back deposit. Saya nak nyanyi lagu rap. Tak dibenarkan. Saya baru nak. Yeah. Let's go to the beat, eat, let's go get away. They say what they gonna say, have a drink, ain't about to come by that. Bitches like me, it's hard to come by. Have a tongue, Manager tak benarkan ke? Tak. Sebab dia macam awak jual lah vokal. Celah. Biarlah saya nak rap. Saya baru nak. Yeah. I'm the type of girl that everybody like, double tap, what everybody like. You can check my sex gods, everybody eyes, and I'm down left rounds, everybody might. All of the girls I'm up against, they mean they all cap. Being the best at whatever I do, that's something on-brand. Type of girl that you wish for when you blow it kinda loud. Saya boleh rap. Break dance sikit. Yeah. Let's go to the beach, each, let's go get away. They say what you want to say. Saya tahu lagu rap ni sebab saya suka nyanyi lagu rap lagu Justin Bieber. As long as you love me, we could be starving, we could be homeless, we could be broke. As long as you la 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 love me. As long as you la 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 love me.
Subscribe with notifications on.